Okay, so let's look at some of the opportunities that have shown up today on the wave strategy. So let's go to here. So this is Euro USD. We had quite a few opportunities kind of kicking off. We had one yesterday around here, but today we had that buy stop order that didn't get triggered. Then we had another one there, it then got triggered. So why did that one get triggered? We had that candle closed below the low of that, and that happened within the wave band, and so the system took a trade. And when that didn't get filled in, and we had another setup, so this one closed below that, the low of that. Let's take this over. So this candle here closed below that low, and it closed within the band, and so the entry price is a couple of pips above that, and it was buy. Some of that trade was closed there by that candle, so price went up very quickly. Some of it closed there, and then price continued to move up, and I've closed a bit more of it and then moved the stop loss up here, and this is now a 100% risk-free trade. Even the portion up still open now, the 0.01 that is still open right now, where is still 13 pips up. So I'm surprised if price continues to go up, we will keep moving it. So quickly, second one, Euro JPY, so similar arrangement as well. And in fact, I'm going to move the stop loss on this and bring it here. So this now is a 25 pip, yeah, something like that, 24, 25 pip. Risk-free trade. It can't be a loss anymore. So again, once again, like the other one, close below that low, and it happened within the band, and the next candle came, boom, took me in, half of the part of the trade closed, and then I've manually closed the others, leaving just 0.01. And mind you, if price comes back into this wave here and gives us another setup, we will get into another trade, as it were. So that's Euro JPY. And then the last one, I'll probably look at this as well. I have a couple of trades, all of them closed, just leaving 0.01 open. So we've got Gbp CHF. Yep, that was a sell one. So again, price went up there, closed. So which one did we take this signal from? So we had that price there, that one there, close above the high, and so we had the entry there, and boom, and price moved. We follow that move down now. Stop loss is just at 28 pips, and price is currently at 40 pips. So not too bad. Not too bad. We'll just keep moving the stop loss as price keeps moving. And the final one is Euro CAD, or the second to the last one, Euro CAD. Again, similar arrangement. Price we got filled in there, and then we just went, part of that trade is closed there, and price is still moving. Right now the exposure is, well, about 20 pips against about 38 pips, so not too bad really. Just keep going, just trickles. The rule of the game here is just take trickles every time in this particular system here. And just let's look at Gbp Aud. Gbp Aud is just setting up, so it got in here, so that trade got in here. So this candle closed below that low, and set us a buy stop order, and it happened. It still has a low within the band. So the next candle went boom, took us in, and price is currently slightly down, which is just about 3 pips below our entry. By 0.01. So that's it. That's it really for the day on this ones. And yeah, we'll see how this progresses. But that simple. It is that simple. All these things here. This one is now 40 pips. Can you see that? 40 pips in profit, 28 pips, 33 pips, 21 pips. So these are not just 5 pip movement or 10 pip movements. These are kind of quite um, not yet. They would some get to 100, 200 pips, but they are not scalping. We're not scalping 10 pips, 15 pips. It is just moving. As the wave continues, we just keep filling in positions as we see them. Okay, all right. We will see how these develop in the coming hours, days, week. All right, all right. Next time, cheers.